The Lost Prince, a modern-day teenager who just so happens to be the last heir to the fallen kingdom of Eldoria. When an ancient amulet he inherited from his grandfather activates it, transports him from the present to the medieval past where his kingdom is under siege from a legendary three-headed dragon whose fiery wrath could annihilate the kingdom if not stopped. With the help of a few rebels, some wizards and a talking cat, King Cole must unite them all to defeat the dragon. Along the way, he'll learn what it means to be courageous, to be a leader, and to be the king of Eldoria. But defeating the dragon will require more than just strength. Cole must use his wits to discover the creature's one weakness, which is hidden away in ancient texts. Will Cole be able to defeat the dragon and restore peace to his kingdom? And, most importantly, will he choose to return to his own time or stay in the past and rule over the kingdom of Eldoria?
The power of CapCut. You're probably wondering, how does this all happen? Well, it's all thanks to CapCut. This app has just gotten a massive upgrade. It's now your go-to tool to create simple yet stunning storytelling images. Step 1. Getting started. Open the app on HeWebJustIO, CapCut.com, and let's head straight to the AI lab. This is where the magic happens. In the AI lab, you'll find tools like the Instant AI Video and AutoCut. Basically, your AI-powered creative assistant. Today, we're focusing on the Instant AI Video Story Maker. So, what do you want your story to be about? The Lost Prince and the Three-Headed Dragon? Or perhaps something else? You can either write your own story or grab one from ChatGPT. CapCut has got you covered. Step 2. Choosing your visual style. Once you've locked in the script, it's time to pick your visual style. You can go for a whimsical feel, anime style, or even claymation. But today, I'm all about that epic fantasy. It's perfect for those adventure-intense scenes we're going for. Choose your visual style and let CapCut work its magic. Step 3. Aspect ratio. This one's simple. Do you want your video in portrait or landscape? If you're making a short video, go for the portrait mode. But since we're going for a longer story, let's pick landscape mode. Step 4. Generating your script. Now, let's get our story. Click Generate Script and type in a brief topic. I'll go with something like The Lost Prince and the Three-Headed Dragon. Add a couple of key points, like the time portal and the dragon battle. Step 5. Picking a voiceover. Next, it's time to pick a voice for your story. You can choose the perfect tone or let CapCut's AI match it to your script. But if you're feeling picky, you can also adjust the voice to fit your vibe. And don't forget to choose your duration. I will choose 1 minute. Step 6. Generate and wait for it. All right, hit Create and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. Once it's done, you've got your first animation clip. You'll get to see your story come to life, complete with voiceovers and animations that match your script. Step 7. Editing and customizing your video. But wait, you're not done yet. If you want to tweak it, this is where the fun begins. You can change the images, swap out videos, or even adjust the background music. Want the sound of a loud thunder? Just add that. And if you don't like the text, change it. The customization options are endless. Step 8. Deep dive into CapCut's editing station. Let's take it a step further. Head into the CapCut editing station. This is where you can fine-tune everything, adjust colors, fonts, add transitions, and even swap out video clips. It's like having a mini production studio right in your pocket. Step 9. Join our community. If you're loving this process, join our community of creators to share your amazing stories and get inspiration. We've got tutorials, tips, and much more to help you elevate your content. Click the link in the description to be a part of the community and learn how to boost your creations to the next level. Step 10. Export and monetize. Once you're happy with your video, hit export and boom, your video's ready to go. And the best part? These videos are AI approved by YouTube, meaning you can monetize them, no problem. Add affiliate links create animated explainer videos for clients, or just let YouTube recommend your videos and build your audience. The potential is endless. Bonus tips for growth. Remember, the more you upload, the more YouTube will start recommending your content. With every video, you're building a passive content engine. It's like setting up a money-making machine that keeps earning while you sleep. Stay consistent and keep creating. Consistency is key. Keep posting, keep tweaking, and watch your channel grow. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a new video. I'm dropping tutorials every week on how to level up your content using mobile tools like CapCut, Design AI, and more. Want a deeper dive on animating images and creating AI stories? Drop a comment below and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So go ahead, start creating. Your next video might just be the one that blows up. Don't forget to check the link in the description and join our community today.
But to do that, he must first gather allies, unite the rebels, seek out the help of powerful wizards, and make friends with some very unusual creatures along the way. He learns the true meaning of courage, leadership, and what it means to be royalty. In order to defeat the dragon, Cole must face it head-on and use his wits to discover its one weakness. Hidden amongst the ancient texts, he learns that the only way to beat a dragon is with another dragon. So Cole takes his rightful place as king and, with the help of his new friends, defeats Ignis once and for all, restoring peace to the kingdom of Eldoria. Now Cole must decide, does he return back to his own time, or does he stay in the past and rule the kingdom he just saved?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.